It was daylight and like kind of sunny 10 minutes ago. Pretty sure this is what the rapture looks like. Lightning keeps hitting that building on the right. But apparently it's done doing so now. Oh! Or not! Holy shit! That was utterly terrifying. Just everything, that was like blinding light. Holy crap. Oh my god. Holy butts and a half. It's really weird that I'm probably in a building that's being hit by lightning right now, and that's what that massive fucking flash was. I am so scared. Oh my god. Hurricane force winds in New York, everybody. Oh, there goes another big flashy thingy. Oh, there's another one. You can see the police lights flashing. Oh, thunder, yeah. This is most definitely the rapture. It was nice knowing all of you. I wonder if it's gonna hit the building again. I'm still seeing stars.